So first step is to remove the undercover. There's several screws up front, and there's 2 screws on the side. So then the 2 side screws, I don't know if you can see it. These are the screws. There's one on each side. So this is the front end underneath. It's like we're looking from the hood looking down. You can see there's a lot of oil, but you can see all the screws that are here, these holes here. You got on the sides where the metal brackets are. You got this hole here. You know, you got the 2 holes in the middle here. These, you got these 2, one, you got this one, you got these, and you got 2 at the rear end that connect with the underneath cover, that is the rear end. And you got the 2 ones from the sides, one here, one there. So it's gonna be cleanup time for that, and we keep going after that. As you can see, cleaning did a very crazy good job. So now I'm gonna disassemble the other lid, that cover that's underneath, that goes beyond this one. So let's do this. Okay, so I took apart the undercover, all of the pieces. The front end, there's a little lip that you can see here. Mine is a bit cracked because I hit very lightly, but once in 10 years I hit one of these concrete stopper when you in the parking lot. So, and this is the rear end. So you can see the split about here. So that comes in 2 different pieces. So this is all removed. It's kind of enough for today. Everything's been clean, and tomorrow we're gonna push it a bit more, try to get to that engine. Okay, so when you unscrew that rear splash guard, there's a tab. This tab you need to when you're done unscrewing all the screws that goes around. This one you can keep it there because it's just joining these 2 sections. It's not linked to the body. So once you done with all the screws around, you just have to swing the whole splash guard about 90 degrees to release it from the tab. You'll see from underneath, it's like a tab that is really maybe 90 degrees from that thing to hold it.